Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Mercedes Sprinter 2017 model, and this one came with the normal factory radio, which was this one. Okay, and we already removed it, and currently we fit in with the new 9-inch full package including wireless Apple CarPlay, USB and Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto and USB Android Auto, and of course it including the full connection to the steering wheel control over here, and it also come with our very popular FHD, Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera, and the camera is specifically required to fit at the top on the left barn door at the back end, because the owner want to see from the top down when they are traveling, because they actually towing some sort of thing behind, so they want to see the thing that way. And we created the custom bracket and fit the new camera on the top for him, and run all the hidden wiring from the top down under the van and go underneath of the van, because this is the motorhome Sprinter already fully set up, and if everything is beautifully fit in, looks perfect and works perfect. Yep, what else we would like to say? Yep, the camera is beautiful, system running beautiful, wireless Android Auto on the screen now with our Android phone staying on the side. And have a look here, when we pull the reverse, it instantly turned into the reverse. And if you know that currently it is super dark outside, and it just completely darkness at the back end only when we turn the reverse on, and that's where our camera can show. You can clearly see the brick, see the grass, see the concrete, see the fence. You can count the fence line. That's all detail you can have from the super clear camera like this. And that is totally dark outside, total dark. Okay, so to help you imagine what is total dark, yeah, I'm pointing the camera outside. Yeah, actually completely dark. Yep, that's about the system. And when we move the gear stick, it comes straight back into the wireless Android Auto screen, and reverse camera and Android Auto again. So yep, we want to say more of one little thing. There's one little button here that we fit to actually turn on the reverse camera on demand. Okay, just the camera, not the other thing. So yep, that is the little button to turn on the camera when the car is going forward or on demand. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.